Tracking time across time zones for remote teams can be tricky, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're managing a global team or just working with colleagues in different time zones, you need a streamlined way to track time and ensure everyone is on the same page. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do just that in under 3 minutes using a few simple tools that make this process a breeze. First, let's talk about why tracking time across time zones is so important. When you're working remotely, the last thing you want is confusion around meeting times, deadlines, or when someone is available for a quick chat. Clear time zone tracking eliminates those issues and ensures smooth communication, reducing frustration for everyone involved. The easiest way to get started is by using a tool that allows you to see different time zones at a glance. I've tested several, and the software we'll be using today is the best for keeping it simple and easy to use. It allows you to set up your team's time zones, so you can see when someone is available without having to do the mental math each time. One trick that really helps is adding time zone widgets to your team's calendar. This ensures everyone knows exactly when a meeting or deadline is happening in their local time, without anyone having to manually calculate the difference. You can sync these widgets with your software for automatic updates, so there's no need to worry about changing time zones as daylight saving changes come up. Next, set up recurring events or reminders in your calendar software that adjust based on your team's local time. This will automatically handle the tricky part of daylight savings or shifting schedules. With this software, you can schedule a meeting once, and it'll adapt for everyone's time zone without you needing to do it manually every time. For team collaboration, consider using a shared time zone tool where everyone can enter their working hours. This gives team members clarity on each other's availability, making it easier to schedule meetings or know when you can expect a response. One feature I find really helpful is the ability to track working hours. This software will also give you reports showing when team members are online, so you can stay on top of work progress without confusion. It's especially useful if you're coordinating work across several time zones and need to monitor productivity. Now, I know you're probably thinking, how do I get started? Well, here's the good news. I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can get a free trial of the software we're using in the description below, so you can follow along and start tracking your team's time zones with ease. The key takeaway from this video is that tracking time across time zones doesn't have to be a headache. Using the right tools can make managing your remote team simple, efficient, and accurate. With just a few clicks, you can set up your team's time zones, sync them with your calendar, and never miss a meeting again. To quickly recap, 1. Use time zone widgets and shared calendars for easy visibility. 2. Set recurring events to handle daylight savings changes. 3. Track working hours for clarity on availability and productivity. Don't forget, the software we're using comes with an exclusive free trial. Just for my channel viewers, it's linked below in the description, so make sure to take advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and happy time zone tracking.